Where'd the other ones go? Oh, my money's here too. Did you guys put my money up here?
Money. Circle. No.
Don't take it from him, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's nice, dear. You gave him. You gave him one. Did you share? Did you share one?
Thank you.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you for saying that. Can you come up? Where's your brother going? Oh, she's taking apart the dragon, huh?
Money.
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
Computer.
For my computer, yeah, for my computer. Thank you. Thank you for being so helpful.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.
Hi, Lucas.
This.
Oh, thank you. Oop.
It's sunny already. It's going to be warm.
No, no, it's pretty.
Dad, take bite. This.
Okay, I'm going to give it to Mommy, but we're going to save it for later.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Thank you. It's really sweet of you, but I have to eat it. I have to wait till after breakfast.
Fast car. Mom's. Fast car. Fast car.
Okay.
Too fun.
Did you fall down?
I jumped.
You jumped? Wow. That was a big jump.
Big jump.
Come on in.
Fast car.
Flashcards?
Yes.
I got some Swedish flashcards last night. Can we try those?
Yes.
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 Yes. Okay.
Fast cars pick up truck.